This is installation video for 6-in-1 cavitation machine for fat blasting. This one is the main machine. Here's the 8 pads, 6 big pads and 2 small pads. This one tripolar IF handle, this one 4-polar IF handle, this one body IF handle, this one the vacuum IF handle, and this one the cavitation handle. And here we got 3 holding parts. Okay, next we are going to install the handles and the pads. And now we are going to install the handles and the pads. First, we connect the holding part with the main machine. Here you can see the screws on both sides. First step, loosen the screw and then put the holding part. You can see there's 2 slots here. Connect the 2 slots and tighten the screw. And next is the other side. Same way. Tie the screw with the main machine. Here is another holding part on the back side. You can see there are 4 screws here, also 2 slots. After we connected all the holding part, next we are going to connect the handles with the main machine. First, we need to connect the big pads, the big laser pads. You can see each connected place has the icon here. You can see the different icon. Some for the laser pads and some for the RF handle or the cavitation handle. So you can see here, there's 8 connect place for the laser pads. Here are the 2 small pads. And next handle is the tripolar IF handle. You can see their cavitation handle, tripolar IF handle, face IF handle, and body IF handle. This one, tripolar IF handle. This one, face IF handle. Body IF handle. The vacuum handle. The last one is the cavitation handle. And that's the whole installation video for 6-in-1 cavitation machine for fat blasting.